Welcome back my loves to another video. I'll be showing you how I made this delicious Nigerian chicken stew. This chicken stew is a whole lot of vibe. When it comes to your party stew, your authentic Nigerian chicken stew, this stew recipe is just perfect. Let's get started. First off, I seasoned the chicken with my preferred spices and covered to cook for a few minutes without water. And after 10 to 12 minutes, I added more water so the chicken can cook properly. So when seasoning your chicken, you can just do you. Use any spices or herbs you prefer, okay? So compliments of the season, my lovelies. Merry Christmas to you watching, and if this is your first time visiting this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please watch to the end, like the video, drop a comment, and join my lovely family by subscribing and engaging on this channel. Thank you. So our chicken is properly cooked and I'm having more stock because I needed some for another delicacy. Yeah, I added onions to the oil for that unique flavor and aroma. Let the neighbors know that something is frying. Don't mind me guys, so you allow it fry until you are satisfied. But for me, I like my chicken slightly golden, not over fried. Now we want to fry the stew. And I'm using that same oil I use for frying the chicken. Why? Because I'm making chicken stew and the oil is already infused with the chicken flavor. Am I right? Let me know in the comment section, okay? I added sliced onion to the oil. I went in with a blend of rosemary and thyme, curry powder, ginger and garlic powder so that the aroma and flavor can be infused into the oil at this point for you to get that unique party stew vibe. Now I added the tomato paste and I fried this for a few minutes to remove the sharp taste. Basically, it contains fresh tomatoes, the different peppers that you use, and onions. But for further taste, you can add fresh ginger and garlic, your green bell pepper, and spring onions. Yes, try this and give me feedback in the comment section, okay? To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the shares, for the likes and your comments. I really appreciate. Merry Christmas to you, and I'm wishing you all a prosperous new year ahead. So you fry this for some time while stirring frequently so that it won't get burnt and the tomatoes can cook properly. Now I'm going in with the sieved chicken stock and the fried chicken. I'm adding the seasoning cube and salt. Do not add more spices or seasoning because my chicken stock is well seasoned, and also I added my spices and seasoning from the beginning. At this point, the whole house and even the neighborhood has been taken over by the aroma of this authentic Nigerian chicken stew. Can you feel the vibe? This stew came out so tasty and delicious. I made this for Christmas and everyone loved and enjoyed it. Let me know if you make your chicken stew this way, and if you'll be trying out this recipe, let me know and drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Okay, please like, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting and amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas to you all, and see you in my next video.